Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. Today, I'm excited to show you how to create a cute anime Twitter header. First, open up Ibis PaintX and create a 3000 by 1000 pixel document. If you're not sure how to do this, don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. Once you've got your document open, the next step is to import the background provided in the pack. This will serve as the foundation for your header. Next, it's time to add your render. This is the character or image you want to feature on your header. I'll show you how to adjust it to your liking, following the steps shown in the video. Once you've got your render in place, it's important to match the background color with your render and correct the render so that it looks seamless. Don't worry if this sounds complicated, I'll walk you through it. Now, let's add some depth to the header by duplicating the render and changing the blending mode to luminosity while lowering the opacity. We'll repeat this step again for a more dynamic effect. To make your header even more eye-catching, we'll add some design elements using line and arrow brushes. These will serve as stylish borders and dividers between different sections of your header. And of course, we can't forget about text. I'll show you how to add text to your header and give it a stroke with a lighter color of the theme to make it pop. You can even add additional text if you'd like, such as your username or a catchy tagline. Now, let's work on the left side of the header. This is where we'll add some extra elements related to your theme, such as hearts or stickers. We can also add some frames for extra flair and to make your header stand out even more. And there you have it, a beautiful and unique anime Twitter header. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you go. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.